The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Alright, YouTube. We out here, man. Let's go on and fix this hyper flash and turn signals. Show y'all what I'm talking about. Truck dirty as hell. Damn. I think I need a starter. Starter going out. What y'all see? So we're gonna slow that down with them resistors. So cut y'all right back on. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna put my resistor in the back. Cause it's metal back here and them resistors get hot, so I can mount it somewhere back there, or, you know, anywhere back there with some metal. I could do it up front, but it's nice and easy back here. Well, I'm gonna try to do it back here. I don't know if it's even gonna work like that. You know, I just be trying stuff, so that's where we at with it, man. And I don't even feel like messing with them, so I'm just gonna do this. But I do know which turn signal it is. I mean, which wire it is. It's the top bulb. So the only thing you need is the positive and negative out of it. Don't believe me? Let me show you. We got the turn signal on. Let me see. This the wire I was just telling y'all about. Turn signal should go off. Boom. Only wire. Top wires. Top bulb. So it'll be your top bulb on this. Boom. 2 wires. And it ain't hard to figure out. Black would say that's negative. So let's go. Alright, YouTube, we've done with that project. I just got the hazards on. Y'all see it's not blinking fast. Not blinking fast. We're about to get to this interior in a minute, man. Start knocking that out. I gotta switch this one. The wire is messed up on that. I mean, yeah, it's messed up. It's backwards on that. Y'all can see the switch back. One of them, I forgot. I gotta figure it out, but either way it go. And I took them other bulbs out. I just put them C10 bulbs up in there. But yeah, that end of that project right there. So we gonna go ahead and get to. I think I got a cold intake coming. What else? We gonna cam, but cam gonna be later because I gotta get some heads and all that. That'll probably be next summer or some spring. But yeah. What else? Yeah, that's about it. More bangs coming, I do believe. But as y'all can see, y'all can do it from the back. And I gotta put another. I gotta find what I did because I had to unscrew the brackets when it broke it. I mean the little clamps. So I'm gonna try to glue them on there with some JB Weld painted so they hold it tighter. But yeah. Alright, and YouTube, don't forget to like, thumbs up, and share the video, man. Let's get to that 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 mark or something. Alright. Oh, matter of fact, there go one of these original seat covers right there. That's the driver's side, matter of fact. Brand new OEM. Waiting on the passenger side. And I don't know if I'm going to do these or not yet. I don't know if I'm going to do the top backs yet. Top backs ain't all that bad, but this gotta go. I ain't even getting a new cushion. What I'm gonna do is go to Joann's Fabric and go get some cushion. I ain't spending all that. They want like damn it $100 for an OEM cushion. You don't need all that. Y'all ain't gonna even see that. So why would I do that? So yeah, but let me go and get to it. As usual, gotta make a run, man. Gotta take my daughter somewhere. All right.